Ever wanted to reshape reality exactly how you imagined it? Like turning your favorite stadium into a Disney World or literally bending time in your photos. Today, I'm going to show you the magical power of Grok 4.20, a tool that completely blurs the line between imagination and reality. Before we dive into this mind-blowing tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Desire and give this video a thumbs up, because we're about to revolutionize the way you look at photo editing. As usual, I'll start by opening Google and searching for Grok. The first result is the official site. I'll click on it to open the dashboard. The user interface is very clean and easy to use. You can chat with it here and ask any questions you have. It's recently been updated to version 4.20 beta. I'll skip the technical details for now, but I highly recommend trying it out. It gives very clear, logical, and precise answers by using 4 different agents to analyze sources. To edit our images, we'll click on the Imagine option on the left side. Here, you can see many images and videos created by other users, which is great for getting inspiration. When we click here, we get 2 options, Edit Image and Animate Image. First, I'll click on Edit Image to upload my own file. I'm going to start by uploading a photo of Manchester United Stadium. I want to turn this into an animation style, so I'll type this simple prompt, transform this photo into a Disney Pixar 3D animation. Now, I'll hit generate and wait for it to work its magic. It created 2 very clear, 3D animated versions which look amazing. You can download them right from this section. Now, let's try something else. I'll go back, select Edit Image again, and this time I'll upload a photo of the Manchester United Academy entrance. I'll use the exact same prompt without adding anything else and hit Generate. Let's wait a moment. Great! It gave us a beautiful, stylized Disney Pixar version. Next, I want to try a different vibe. I'll upload an image of myself that I previously created with Gemini. After it uploads, I want to change the style to something old and dark. I'll type, transform this photo into a Gothic style. Excellent. It did exactly that. It even changed the style of the microphone and replaced the laptop with an old book. Both versions are incredible. It really paid attention to the details. Now, looking at my images on the left, I'll click on the first one again because I want to edit some specific details. First, I'll type, the man sitting on chair. It generated the image. And I think the bottom one is better because he's looking directly at the camera. Now, let's change the laptop on the desk. I'll write, change the laptop into a monitor. Hit generate. Perfect. It did a great job. I should have been more specific that the screen shouldn't face that way, but overall, it's a solid result. Let's change the mood of the room now. I'll type, change the room theme into red and orange. Wow, look at that. It even changed all the lights in the scene to match the theme I asked for. Now, I want to change my own clothes. I'll type, change the man's clothes. Notice that I'm using very simple and general phrases so that anyone can follow along. Pros might write much more complex prompts, but Grok understands exactly what I want even with simple words. See? It only changed the clothes. Now, let's try something more advanced, creating a 2-person podcast studio. I'll upload another image and type, these 2 characters are performing a podcast together in the same studio as the first image. It generates so fast. The result is great. Even if the expressions look a bit artificial, you can get a better result with a few more tries. I really like the wide shot. Now, let's turn one of these into a video. I want to focus on camera movement. I'll select the Manchester United Stadium photo and click on video. I'll keep it simple and type, the camera moves forward and flies over stadium seats like a drone. Let's wait for the video to render. And there it is. Let's watch it together. This is Hollywood level. What's cool is that you can create related images and use camera movements to build an entire animation. I actually just got an idea for a future video where we make a full animation this way. Now, let's play with time. I'll upload a photo of a snowy landscape during the day and change the time to a snowy night and Christmas lights. Let's see how it handles turning day into night. Stunning. It added the Christmas lights perfectly and transformed the whole atmosphere. Back again. Let's upload a photo of a man on a bicycle and use this prompt. Change the bicycle to a futuristic flying sci-fi bike. It created two images where the entire scene stays the same, but the bike is now a futuristic machine. Very impressive. For the next one, I want a different perspective. I'll ask for a bird's eye view from a sparrow's perspective. Give the picture from the perspective of a flying sparrow. The first one is perfect. The character is looking up at the sky, and it's a completely new shot. Finally, let's try to zoom out the camera, move the photo away from the shot. This medium shot is beautiful. I'll hit generate again with the same prompt to see if it goes even further back. Amazing. The first image looks like it's pulling back from a wall painting. It perfectly expanded the view of our original image. I highly recommend using Grok's image editor. It's truly unique. In the next video, we'll dive into its agents and see what else they can do. As you've seen, Grok isn't just an AI, it's a creative partner that brings any fantasy to life. If you enjoyed this journey, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But wait. If you're looking for another incredible free tool to edit your images, you definitely need to check out this video right here. I've shared some secret tips on how to work magic with a completely free alternative. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.